Hi there! Today, we show you how to exclude dark mode based on your WooCommerce category products using WP Dark Mode. So head over to settings of the WP Dark Mode and under the WooCommerce settings option, go to the Exclude WooCommerce Categories. You will see a number of categories in the list. You can find and create more categories if you go to Categories of the Product section. Let's choose hoodies as our category. Let's visit the front end of our site to check the hoodie category. If we click on hoodies, you will see the dark page of our WooCommerce store. Now, if you save the settings in the back end and refresh the page, you will see that the page for hoodies will return to its regular page without any dark colors. However, if you click on other products, you will see that the site darkens since those categories was not excluded from the WP Dark Mode. In the next option, if you enable Exclude All and set the hoodie category just like before, you will see only the hoodie category will have its page darken, while the rest of the pages will be displayed without the dark mode widget for your WooCommerce store. And that's it! If you like this feature, download WP Dark Mode now and start using for free, or contact us at support@wppool.dev.